5 French dishes to enjoy. You might think that French food is all about snails and frogs' legs, but I'm here to show you 5 French dishes that are going to make your mouth water. France is known for a lot of things like wine, cheese, and the Eiffel Tower, but what we're really famous for is our food. Ever since I was little, my mom would make these amazing recipes that her mother taught her in Paris when she was young. Now it's my turn to teach you how to cook some of the most delicious French recipes out there, so let's get started. 1. Soup à l'oignon gratiné. A good meal always starts with a nice starter or a delicious soup. This recipe will make every French heart melt. It is simple and easy to follow, but surprisingly tasty at the same time. It contains onions, garlic, and cheese, which are very common ingredients in French cuisine, but also bread croutons which add texture to this dish. Grated cheese covers the surface, making it look gorgeous and appetizing. 2. Croque Monsieur and Croque Madame. Croque Monsieur is crunchy, cheesy and a little bit of buttery ham sandwich. It's simple to make, but it's definitely hard not to eat too much. This is the perfect recipe for a big appetite, as it's no secret that you have to be super hungry in order to stuff your mouth with these delicious treats. Croques are quite popular, especially among children who tend to prefer savory dishes over sweet ones. 3. French onion soup. Perfect for cold days filled with nothingness, because this one takes hours to prepare and 3 hours to cook properly. This soup is very easy to make if you are willing to invest time in it. You can find the recipe here. 4. Coco van. Another one of those delights that take longer than you think. This recipe includes many ingredients, some of which are hard to find, like pearl onions and button mushrooms, but the taste will be absolutely scrumptious and worth trying. There is a cheaper version on Howcast where they show you how to make it without wine and using beer instead. Nevertheless, we advise you to use wine. The cheaper version can be found here. 5. Pulley Roti or roasted chicken. I can hear you say, but isn't Pulley Roti rather common? Yes, it is, but in France, this roast chicken has a lot of flavors. In Australia, I only ever see the same huge breast served with an uninteresting sauce that comes from a bottle in the supermarkets. This symbolic French meal could be eaten as it is or with spinach and or mushrooms on the side. You need to cook them separately. To make things even better, most restaurants will serve bread or French fries. I don't know about you, but when I think of France, the first thing that pops into my head is all the food. And while there are many delicious dishes to choose from in France, some stand out more than others. Thank you for watching.